Hi, I'm Robert Osborne. We are at the moment looking at some of the films of the multi-talented Sammy Davis Jr. And up next for us is a movie released by United Artists in 1958 called Anna Lucasta. It's actually the second film adaptation of what was a hit Broadway play of the same name by Philip Yordan. This time Yordan also penning the screenplay. Now on Broadway, the play had featured an all-black cast, but the first film version, released in 1949, featured only white performers, including Paulette Goddard in the title role, joined by John Ireland and Broderick Crawford. By contrast, our movie, like the stage production, has an African-American cast. Eartha Kitt plays the title character, a young woman who, as they say, plays for pay after a falling out with her father. Nor do things get much better when she falls for a streetwise sailor played by Sammy Davis Jr. This was, by the way, quite a groundbreaking film for its time, a story that focuses not on race, but on human beings, people whose turmoil in life, good or bad, is not based on skin color, but on life itself. This movie is the first feature film in which Sammy Davis Jr. played a character other than himself. This just after he'd had a big Broadway success in the 1956 musical called Mr. Wonderful. While our movie isn't a musical, Sammy Davis does sing in it briefly, performing the song That's Anna, with lyrics by Sammy Cahn and music by Elmer Bernstein, with Bernstein also writing the movie's music score. So here also with Rex Ingram, James Edwards, and Frederick O'Neill, and with cinematography by the masterful Lucien Ballard. A movie directed by Arnold Lavin, the 1958 version of Anna Lucasta.